Today on Tech Gadget Zone, we're revealing and reviewing the Xiaomi 17, a flagship smartphone packed with powerful features like Wi-Fi 7 support, Dolby Vision display, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, and IP68 water resistance. But the big question is the Xiaomi 17 really worth buying? Or is it just another flagship with hype? Let's find out. Overview. The Xiaomi 17 is one of Xiaomi's latest flagship smartphones, designed to deliver premium performance, immersive audio-visual experience, and advanced connectivity. The phone runs on Xiaomi HyperOS 3, giving users a modern and optimized software experience. It also supports 5G connectivity, advanced sensors, and the latest wireless technologies, making it a powerful device for everyday users and tech enthusiasts. Design and build quality. Starting with the design, the Xiaomi 17 has a premium and durable build. It comes with IP68 water and dust resistance, meaning it can survive splashes and even submersion in water up to 4 meters for 30 minutes, under controlled conditions. The phone feels solid in the hand and is built to withstand everyday use while maintaining a sleek flagship look. Display and media experience. One of the standout features of the Xiaomi 17 is its multimedia experience. The phone supports advanced video technologies like HDR 1.0 and HDR 1.0+, Dolby Vision HDR Vivid. This means movies, videos, and streaming content look more vibrant, with better contrast and color accuracy. For audio, the Xiaomi 17 features stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos and Hi-Res audio certification, delivering immersive sound whether you're watching videos, playing games, or listening to music. Performance and connectivity. When it comes to performance and connectivity, the Xiaomi 17 is packed with modern technology. The device supports Wi-Fi 7 ready, which provides faster wireless speeds and improved network efficiency compared to older Wi-Fi standards. It also includes Bluetooth 6.0 with dual Bluetooth support, allowing you to connect multiple devices like headphones or speakers simultaneously. Other connectivity features include NFC support, Miracast, Wi-Fi Direct, dual-band simultaneous connectivity. All of this ensures faster connections and smoother wireless performance. Sensors and smart features. The Xiaomi 17 also includes an impressive range of sensors that improve the smartphone experience. These include proximity sensor, ambient light sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope, barometer, Hall sensor, flicker sensor, laser focus sensor. The phone also features an infrared blaster, allowing you to control devices like TVs, air conditioners, and other electronics directly from your phone. Navigation and positioning. For navigation and location tracking, the Xiaomi 17 supports multiple satellite systems including GPS, Galileo, GLONASS, BeiDou, QZSS, NavIC. This ensures accurate positioning whether you're navigating in a city, traveling, or using location-based apps. Pros. Here are some things that make the Xiaomi 17 stand out. Toe premium design with IP68 water resistance, Dolby Vision and HDR video support, powerful stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, advanced connectivity including Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6.0. Cons. But there are a few things to keep in mind. Water resistance may reduce over time with wear. Some features like Wi-Fi 7 or Wi-Fi 6E may depend on region and network support. Flagship features may come with a higher price. Final verdict. So overall, the Xiaomi 17 is a powerful flagship smartphone that focuses on premium multimedia and smart features. If you want a phone with cutting-edge wireless technology, immersive audio-visual experience, and durable design, the Xiaomi 17 is definitely worth considering. However, as always, the best choice depends on your needs and budget. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Tech Gadget Zone, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tech review.